Mamema Akwaba Ever Ghana and Sem TV GH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe. Turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, Usambeka bi.
Say me share with you na being kasa bebre na saa akwa we particularly and what's we are okay and the mammy gira say no me try me would not be kabi cause na ya pa in fact say why when nim say enchiwie na wabeto na wo kasem wa enim to da na akufu ado so na me fa bia na medi ya say na ne ma no wo he ne ma no omo wo he akwa tum nkosi wo wo ko misi wo omo prepare na hospital no kra no follow sa hospital kra no ade kru mu ha mote ya deda wo na mo ko bude sa case we come hospital no mo siw sa pap sa kwa ye nanim sa nchiwe no ko di obi ire no wote wo no omo siw no na ye nyaawo ye bekoso abom pai bo ne ye guso ye bru ya asuma ya de na mana be gu so ye be guso sa ko si obeba bonten aba be kasa wo sa kwa we sei wo de twen wo bi say ye ja wo ho but next time o kasa no waka say ye because sa ndisi foni bi no ma ye o madwen say on be kasa mo ya nko a tere other part eye MPP4 asebom mo kan nyina so ni nya mahama na mu be gina ho e be di atem e kan se fo de tere Nana Akufo-Addo mo titi ho ene mo ma ye madwen say obi ka a mo so be ka bi obi ka bi am be ka si mo ye madwen say obi ka bi a mo de ye friend say yi be track akotete nkrofo ni ade yom be bia no we be si aga muna mo se o ma na nye nti be ni ene ba ne say hwe card na Akufo-Addo e wo ko ne da ho hwe de mo ba e wan yi a wo 2 years ma you hwe card da ho na hwe card da ho now almost 50 something enye sika keto wo when you 2 years ma you it's not 8 years no ya no mo de mo ho ko to before that o me educated munni mo hwee mo ba mo de takashi ni tokwansem kwani nsimhunu na mo ba na ko bi asabe ya to aba na mo na mo sese mo wi ni e na first mahama unti bi stop us violence things na mo ye no o mo ko so said no man ade look at this obi na access what wi ni na ye nya kwase ampani we ya biginom na wo di atemu wo kansem kan ya de akase wo wura ba me ka sentro resu kwachi wo se hwanwo yade eni awie ye ne beba so no obusua sa yade na bo ye akase bo de man na Akufo-Addo no be se wo soro ne Ghana saase be se Ghana nsuo ne ahun nyina se emra wo so no obusua nyina u dedresi nyina yade no emra wo so me se yade we ya kan wo ni obusua nyankopɔ kora no odi ho bo na ye be koso so bo hu dawura me ye hu video di akotom app no so me ye hu video di akotom app no so ye nto ba mesro ma follow nti ya send sa video we mame
Mate send me hi fine me ba to send me hi o send me hi me wie program na
me am eti ye de ka kire mu se sa chichi enkosi hwe ye ka kire mu enkosi hwe esa sa mo pe power banti hwe nkosase mu budi ni bunu mem eto ma do ma hene so di asal fotem di nkrofotem sa hwe kwase pe ni no ti America hwe kwase mu a still order so guso okeka on de mo nkwache no ho ye beka ye nu bi no ye bekoso aka mo pa mu twuntwa eti ye mfa ho ye di eti beji akyerema na me de me ka akyerem police di bia wo follow sa wo app we onipa bia si adidi bi wo follow app we se wan twu ho amfiri so a me di wo soro ni asase a me di antonya ma ne di nsu bo dua no wasefo nyina mo fro ka e chezi ba bia e fa mu nya accident na mu ne mo mahama ni nyina e se bo e beka gu so mo were be ho wo ko boya dia mo bi saa na yenya obi ma ne begina ho ebeka se Akufo-Addo sebe nana akodwu so ayi nkrabufu soro da ho ene wo he akwano ka sa ne wo he akwano ka sa wo he kwase simo binu kika nyire ne binu wo na wo sa wo sa kwa odo wonim sanchi wi ubenya wo punishment be wo ma se ubenya wo punishment be wo ma yade eni awie ye pa na beto wo kukutina wo ye ne nkwase simo be kika no yade ne be ba so 10 times yade na wo ma Nana Akufo-Addo no ye twefiri ne nsam ye de ba wo so no wabusua nyina be nyaw of course oba pa be se be kwa ye hu video e de ama o tena mfiri dwuma ba me ye video pa e de ama no wakoto ye app no so chesi sa app no no ye hwe na be hu bia ba ye koso ho was yampedi. Wahima.
Nana Medasi.
Medasi
Okay.
Pia.
Miss Medasi, my miss you. Eh, Mike.
Mate. Mema Harry, Sisia.
Mate, JDM, we pay me send them.
No problem.
Okay. Mike. Me pa cho yenko. Mike, te me kasa. Okay, Mike enkasa. Me pa super.
Media maker kitwa NDC government ni mu. There are certain elements bi o ha ohu omo a na ehye wabufu kra. So akwaye odaso ye Fosu Kwakye Kwakye Fosu no. Sam George Okojatoa Blackwa. These are the people who are just straight from university. Ejuma kro mu nye bi dawo.
Yeah.
Ano mo be nyom hu say tam. True politics. Enti no omo mfa nipa biara enye hwe. Enti no atrosem di omo anim se di omo ka no enye nokore. Omo ankasa no omo nim pa se enye nokore na se bimpredu asan ye Ghanafo no mu bi mo adwene mu ohanti no die omo beka bia no yeji omo di. Na sabi Fosu Kwakye onka say edie apart from so ye national service we adwuma ben why no wiase apart from so o twatro ono anim said the o kan biara ne ya trosem but because said the omu be die ntino omu be twatro emfa no ho kra sami gemfi abenya no ho say tam true politics. Oh, ana asefem say anybody bia ye adwuma tuatua taxes anka ofi se omo wa adwempa so mbeboa oman no sankofo we ntua tax krada wo enso ene omo na edi adodode no omo asem de mfanto nchen ba ko bia na say no ne nam ayi so a me de me I'm campaigning say whether I'll get sympathy from this social media, and I don't know say nye ni panyina na be support de me kan de wo ni say guy be enso ne nam ayi other properties so nam ko for efie can be about the rent because say we NDC appointee as a the or say the rent control commissioner, right? Ne hunye me hiche ni pe bia. I know say Ghana dance no a problem. And this has always been a problem. And the anti-crime mam di we cross here. John Mama on them kumasi say osako ya for double housing. As for double housing, mo ya. Es mo na mo sa ton mam. Mo na mo ton mo ye fie no sa ton mam. Enti obi dia wasi na oye ne private no. Den wa kodina wa ka che say una wo betwa boama no. Una betwa boama no. We Ghana even aban nyoma also buy control. Dan ya also buy usisi the man rent no. Wonye. Obi aye ne de no una pese okoka sikasem elfa ho na say wo Ghana school mu ye wo abai school ho ye wo no private institute private schools ho obi a wo de o charge so office wo ho so a wo do ho kwa aban so office wo ho beso na do ba be ko private school a wo do ba ko private school mo ma options ne wo ho ansa na sa NDC me masem na me de me force say me ye o say aba. Me a landlord, I've invested a lot in all these properties. And I tell you what, if these people tried any means just to put control, I would just ask everybody to leave my house. I will ask everybody to leave. Because me investment.
I get it. Sad landlord, I get it. But you see, they are going about it all wrong.
It's all wrong. It's all wrong. I tell you what, me policy I can me say, Yenji 3 months deposit. Afe free hono yemfa nko a monthly se bosumi bia yitua woka but de tie ne se de ntunti ama wo ye ne sa be problem ne se be wiase ba bia me nua ba me ne wokasa me tu kwa ache me chini wiase papa wiase ba bia wakatua ye de ma wono de di usika wo mpa kase pa eye ka wo da sika but eminu mienu nyina be kan se Ghana de be di usika kase ewo wakatua mu ye electricity abani provide you a den electricity what me abe din ache wo na wo dem. It doesn't make sense. And this abani bit me masa no marketing na ba from and that from New York to Amsterdam to London muso be bia Yetua wo die, o yetua wo car, which wo die o sika na yetua no, so wo je 1,250, which is 1/4. Eye wo die car. What you compare Ghana die car can cheap that, but the problem is say you will be 2 years, 1 year bob dear, and the nyansanim. Nyansa ba kokra anim say nipa no afa no wo be hye adwuma so si tuasa sika nyina, especially royal brochire car kra ye tua efia wotim exactly efia wotim kra na so wato no 25 years na se fatua. And there's no obiani says he can a daho kakraka and say may time 2 years at the high die. It doesn't make sense. Ebe kosro so wutuan busumi bia no the wutuan bia the amount bia 800 so bas wutuan busumi bia and primary so bia meje 1,000 and 1,001 na busumi bia wa ba betua and no make sense. But besides no kra no mo mani pan option aban de wo ho e bia no ya ye no in such a way say bia enye classy and yet a bit upward class, but Ubenyan say, okay, I buy flats in the Guhono, a beer no moon ye kama dear, intimidate me pebe ye kama, no mababitum. Besides, ye were Ghana hotels ni be charging in dollars. Oh, yeah. Schools, Missy Miam no case, me back a school be war a obuasequem, say ICS, sana say ICBB, Ufri Santase, call Boasia, school be war left hand side, hosa. I was paying 1,400 to 1,900 pounds every term. I didn't complain. I never complain because me banu obi ani Ghana obehwe school ni de okokotene mu a obi ahu hia so obekọ for the whole term no ye makwan ya next term no wa he goes back to his mom in the UK. My choice. I didn't mind for nanko to buy school. I didn't mind for nanko private school. Mo my entias say look me investment am aye nyina nse masisi dam de ma hayo enti wo adwene ye wo se wo di wo ban to me bi e ba be kikam the open there. I totally disagree with you. I totally disagree. Ma wo di hwe se mo fi se mo ba boa munye bebre aban bi wo wiase bia adwene hiafo no momu ho ye adwene sikafo ho sa na edi bu aban. And what banu making sure say the ordinary people no and mum na ye hwe wom. And the ordinary people no won't sit down say affordable. Na mun kanjem say the cheapest one in it near $30,000.
How is this affordable?
It doesn't make sense. Nurse for teacher for how many years? How many years the teacher ni be kanisika?
There is not a single nurse or bank apply for loan or bank to be everyone $30,000.
Doesn't make sense. Does it even make sense? So affordable now more can how affordable it is?
It's not.
Mama ye nunu ye hu yensre. Mama ye nunu ye hu ni yensre. Media, I know say people have stopped talking about it, but this guy is trying everything. Say Obama a renter now we're tackling in the wrong direction. I've been saying this on this platform, but I make sure I put my view across. The TN say some per se bibia mra for moi a demand supply and demand asem say a door sooner.
No, the truth of the matter is landlords nekwano. What are you giving them in return?
Exactly.
You should make the whole thing juicier. The tenant is benefiting, the landlord is also benefiting. But if the only focus na a tenant na, the landlord will not comply because their whole suggestion, no, it is not putting any money into his pocket or is not helping him in any way. And if we want to really make this work, both parties need to benefit.
Exactly.
One way or the other.
I have to personally control the road leading to my houses. I have to. Or say me finding means me need a for a tricycle for you be casa on babe for more bins. Now bosomi swa a for so babe now say property tax this is that. And it's so annoying. So annoying. As a government, what are you doing for the ordinary people? Just concentrate on the ordinary people. Osoli a wonam wiem. Na no mom nam wiem ko se mo ye kwa ni ye na ka mo be fa wiem. Akra to obuase. Shouldn't take 2 hours. But now say my dream bonity no, one say manya kwan no, mo fi say mo fa wiem. For all you know, a wiem place with me to bury. Mon concentrate at the end of Montiminia, mon former private people. Let them do it and start charging. Nancy, I'm a driver called France. Me say, me tia more than 10 rotos. Ofane here, would be do an barrier, can create a private. No what ya. Obisu the idea man or did you Obi the quantity the crossing be no, Nina a private. Into see swap, Ubedru and nugget or won't you? I want to mean crossway. You're outside the boss. You're outside the boss. Some judge need to say a suburb SM registration. Are you stupid? Adi we nyebi. Yeah, no. Na ede ne bua faso. Yeah, ne bua faso. Why can't you think outside the boss? Why can't you? No, Mami Kasamcho.
Super Mpasho,
Maybe 1 minute pen and cross. Unim. Omo be our butcher be our catch or say about 10 years ago, credit card was a problem. Credit card. Now among full via credit card. Who will be you credit card, will be able credit card. Abrofuni transfer I did we a problem. What they did, they say credit card, and now the credit card to year. And son be go through amount. Why you be we now what the credit card net to can you find now a say credit card na to the but code a credit card no address net that's on bossa code nishim. And this a wouldn't nimua and to go through. Oh, extra security on the account. I'm a credit card fraud and a Twitter. Monjini, you'll be a year, anye, also for me back home, man, Sam, Mekasi, Besabe, yes, Adian. I've sent him an email. I hope you get it and read it because I found that idea to be very, very stupid. What can you say, yes, I'm register? Or more to canning no more sim no and a bit more used to say, Sikano, mobile money, the young business. No, they don't have to go back to Ghana and register. Are you being stupid? As a government, can you not think outside the box? More far the fufu be mre bit me benefit nipa since adia ya no anye yen musansi yen sa anye ni bio. Ma me manuato why? Me da se be brave.
Me so me da se super one. And